Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of cutting-edge technologies. Data science, artificial intelligence, and robotics. We will explore the top 5 lucrative career opportunities in these emerging fields that can shape your future. Number 1. Data Analyst. Data analysts are the backbone of every data-driven organization. They collect, interpret, and analyze data to uncover valuable insights and trends. They gather and extract data from various sources and databases to ensure a comprehensive dataset. They play a major role in cleaning and organizing data to remove inconsistencies, errors, and missing values for accurate analysis. Data analyst is supposed to apply statistical methods and data visualization techniques to identify patterns, trends, and insights within the data. Number 2. Machine Learning Engineer. Machine learning engineers are the masterminds behind the development and deployment of AI models. They are responsible for creating algorithms that enable machines to learn from data and improve their performance over time. There is a huge demand for machine learning engineers in industries like e-commerce, cybersecurity, and healthcare. Number 3. Robotics Engineer. Robotics engineers play a vital role in designing and developing robotic systems that can perform tasks autonomously. They play an important part in the current world developments as they are pioneers of diverse applications of robotics in manufacturing, space exploration, and healthcare. The skill sets include mechanical engineering, programming, and knowledge of control systems and help in providing exciting advancements in fields like drone technology and humanoid robots. Number 4. AI Ethicist. As AI becomes more pervasive, AI ethicists are becoming crucial to ensure the responsible and ethical use of AI technology. They play a crucial role in addressing ethical concerns related to bias, privacy, and accountability in AI systems. Their careers have an interdisciplinary nature, which may involve ethics, law, and technology expertise and play a crucial role in overseeing the building of AI systems that align with human values and societal norms. 5. Data Science Manager. Data science managers are the leaders who oversee data projects and guide their teams to success. They coordinate projects, manage resources, and set strategic goals. They are experienced professionals with a blend of technical and leadership skills, and communication and teamwork is very important in this role. In conclusion, the fields of data science, AI, and robotics offer a vast array of exciting and rewarding career opportunities. Whether you are passionate about data analysis, machine learning, robotics, ethics, or leadership, there is a path for you in these emerging fields. For more related details, candidates can check out our website at www.gatemuni.com by clicking the link in the description.